Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to accept money on PayPal. When someone sends you funds, you will typically receive an email notification. It's important to log into your PayPal account to see the transaction details. Most payments are automatically accepted, but some might require a quick action from you. We will go over these specific situations to ensure you can access your funds smoothly. When a friend or family member sends you money, it often appears instantly in your PayPal balance. However, if the sender used an older email or phone number not linked to your account, the payment might be pending. You will see an Accept button next to the transaction in your summary. Simply click this button to claim your funds and add them to your available balance. This process usually takes just a few seconds. Payments received for items sold or services rendered sometimes show as pending or on hold. This is a security measure, especially for new sellers, to ensure buyer satisfaction. Once you fulfill the order and add tracking information to the transaction details, the funds are typically released within 1 to 3 business days. For services, funds usually clear a few days after completion. If you are having trouble accepting a payment, first ensure your email address is verified. This is a common requirement for receiving funds without delays. Also, double-check with the sender that they use the exact email or phone number associated with your PayPal account. Sometimes, a simple typo can cause a payment to be held. If the funds remain unaccepted after 2 days, contacting PayPal directly is your next best step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.